lumps of wheat are formed into bread, as bread is taken, broken, and shared. We ask you, Lord, to unite us, to give ourselves to those who have less, as grapes from the vine are pressed into wine, as wine is shared for sacrifice. We ask you, Lord, to unite us, to give ourselves for all humankind, uniting around the redeeming cross of Christ. Together we'll go past Calvary, our faith in Him unwavering, our love for Him unceasing, uniting around the redeeming cross of Christ. Together we praise and give Him thanks. One bread, one body, and one Spirit, forever we will be. Bless the Father, the Son, and the Spirit.